Hello everyone, I am Vishal. I'm gonna walk you through the Auto Founder AI. In the next 15 minutes, I'll show you how we turn a single text idea typed by anyone anywhere into a live marketed software business in 7 days. So not AI assisted, not co-pilot, autonomous. Keep it the world autonomous. Say it twice. So here we go. The problem statement. So here's what every founder you have ever funded was up against. 90% of startup fails, and hashtag one region isn't the bad ideas, it's the foundership things nobody wanted. So the MVP itself takes 3 to 6 months, but we're gonna do it within 30 days. So which cost in real world, which is 15,000 to 50,000 US dollars if you hire an agency, and before any of that you have wasted 3 weeks doing a manual validation on stale Reddit threads, three compounding pains, technical wall, stale validation, launch footage. We have all watched this movie. We are here to stop making it. So foundership things nobody wanted. So now the relief, here is the fix, the solution. AutoFounder AI is a multi-agent system, 7 specialized AI agents that act as a complete founding team: strategist, architect, coder, reviewer, DevOps, and marketer and operations ops. You type your idea, the agent validate it, build it, deploy it, and market it. You wake up on day 7 with a live product and a live launch. This isn't ChatGPT writing code, it's an orchestrator team with the CEO, the LangGraph workflow, directly all of them. So the key bit here is an orchestrated team with a CEO. So I'm going to show you the 7 day workflow. Uh, Day one, you type the idea. Day two, idea input. Day one is idea input, one sentence. Day two is validation, which takes 30 minutes. Day three is, so I'm gonna repeat it. Day one, you type the idea. The strategic agent runs the real-time validation, live Reddit, live LinkedIn, live competitor, live scrape. It scrapes all the data. You get a lean canvas and a viability score in 30 minutes. So day two to day five, architect design the stack, coder writes the code, review audit its, DevOps deploys to AWS, all in parallel, all version controlled, all visible to the founder on a Kanban. So yeah, day 6 to 7 is marketer ships the product, hunt, launch, hacker news post, X campaign, SEO content, and brand asset. Idea to public launch 168 hours. So here the key bit is 168 hours. Now the market context. uh, yeah, a massive conversion market. So yeah, so here you can see today's TAM 33.6 billion across three convergence segment by 2030 to $17 billion, a 6.5x expansion in 4 years. 8, SAM, 8 billion solo founders, India hackers, rapid prototyping agencies. The part we can serve with our current product today. SAM by year 3, 250 million. That's 10,000 paying subscribers, roughly 3% of our serviceable market. Conservative. So next, I'm gonna prove the Talvin isn't one market. So it's three. So marketing, three market on Talvin. So yeah, Elvin. AI coding. Why now three independent markets are collapsing into one? So AI coding, 24.5% area, low code 31.1%, AI marketing 19.8%, blended, which is 27.5%, and in India specifically 38%. No single player is building all the intersection. They are each in their own lane. We are the layer on top of all three. So the layer on top of all three. So yeah, competitive landscape. Let's compare us to the player you know. GitHub Copilot helps you code, not validate, deploy, or market. Bubble lets you build, no code, not get user. VO and Lovable generate UI, not a real business. We are the only player covering all four phases: validate, build, deploy, market in one workflow. So why we can handle this position, the edge. So six structural advantage, not feature mode. So multi-agent orchestrator, not single prompt LLM. Real-time market data, not training cutoffs stale. Multi-tenant from day one. We scale 10,000 founder without re-architecting LLMOps observability. We know our cost per build, our hallucination rate, our drift, full marketing in the same workflow. Nobody else does this. And model agnostic routing, we pick Claude, GPT, or Gemini per task based on cost and quality. So yeah, the key bit is structural advantage modes. Now show, let's see the product screen. So yeah, here is what founders see: magic box, natural language idea input on the left, Kanban track every startup across validate, build, deploy, market, launch, control, which is the marketing engine on the right. This is shipping, not a mock-up. So under the hood is architecture. Next.js front end, fast API plus Next.js gateway, Postgres for data, S3 for asset, Redis for queue. The agent layer run on LangGraph, orchestrating Claude, GPT, and Gemini. Everything on AWS EKS, auto scaling, multi regioning, ready, production grade from day one, not a prototype dress up. Next, the team they are selling, they are really investing in. So here's the next part. So the 7 agents we are really investing. So strategist, architect, coder, reviewer, DevOps, marketer, LLMOps. So here is the key bit is uh, so yeah, 7 specialized, one workflow, which is quite good. So platform control center, this is what our internal team sees: 1,247 tenant and 342 concurrent build, 92% deploy success, average cost per MVP is rupees 417, which is within the hallucination rate of 2.1%. We instrument everything. So founder dashboard, this is what customer sees: magic box to start, Kanban to track, code review studio, launch control, you up to 5 startup in parallel on the pro tier, asset library for brand, one workspace. So end user experience, and this is the end user, the customer of a customer product. Every app we ship comes with auth, payment, analytics, mobile ready UI back in the UI founder. The founder doesn't think about any of it. So yeah, so next is the pricing. So yeah, solopreneur, startup founder, enterprise or agency. Revenue map, year one, 1000 subscribers, 50 lakh MR, year two, 4000 subscriber, 2.2 crore, which is mix of 55% tier 1 solopreneur, 40% tier 2 startup founder, 5% enterprise. Through enterprise punches above its weight on revenue. These aren't just numbers, they are 3% of SOM, and coach to the market we already showed up. So yeah, ROI, yeah, 96% faster, 96%, 99% cheaper. What customer compare us against and the gap they refuse give up. So yeah, this is the improvement side on the right. So at the bottom, first validate area, 10x more startup, 59k save. So infrastructure scaling, and our unit economics get better with scale. Per user infra cost 1700 in 1 year. In year one, paying for headroom 1000 in year two, batching and catching faculty in year three, rupees. Our own fine-tuned model layer comes online. Margin expand as we grow. So yeah, GTM roadmap. Uh, Validation engine, MVP builder, launch and GTM, enterprise scale, global expansion. So yeah, that's all from my side. Hope you like this video. Thank you.